Yo, slap on your gloves, grab your tools of choice, y'all. Hey, meet me in your kitchen. Hey, I want to welcome you back to my channel. I am your man. Keep a Cup Can Cook, and man, hey, I am very excited, man. I got NFL playoffs on right now. Man, I'm excited about it, man, because I know we coming to the the ultimate game, the Super Bowl, y'all. And hey, what better way to get it kicked off in the playoffs with this meal right here? Hey, I gotta introduce you to the star of the show, cause y'all already know the name of what we doing. That's right, y'all. We doing a jerk chicken, but hey, we doing it Keep a Cup Can Cook style, y'all. This ain't got nothing to do with authentic. This ain't got nothing to do with Jamaica. This got everything to do with the flavor profile that your man Keep a Cup Can Cook desires. Hey, and with that said, we get ready to dive into this chicken right here, y'all. We got 8 pieces of chicken. We got some thighs, and we got some legs, y'all. But I want you to see what I did, y'all. I scored them. I scored the thighs, and I scored the legs, y'all. But I left you 2 of them because I want to show you. Hey, get you a nice sharp blade, y'all. Hey, that's my little paring knife right there. Hey, make sure all your knives are sharpened. You just want to go ahead and get that thing scored. Get it scored. You only need 2 cuts. If you want to, go on, cut a third one. It don't matter. It's your chicken. It's your chicken. But you just want to make sure you score it. Score it downward. That you ain't moving the skin. So on and so forth. You see what I'm talking about. So there you go. Now all our chicken is scored right there. But I'm gonna tell you what I got. I got me some jerk seasoning. This is dry. Check me out, y'all. And then I'm gonna tell you right now, trust the process. All right, I got me a 1/4 cup. It's that jerk seasoning. Hey, get any jerk seasoning that you like. This is yours. Now, we didn't use it all, but we want to get in there with our hands. We ain't using no spatula. We ain't using no tongs. We getting in there with our hands, y'all. Cause we want it in there. Whatever jerk seasoning it is that you like, get that jerk seasoning, put it on your chicken. Now, if I fail to say this, first of all, you want to clean your chicken. And you want to get it dressed up. Because this is the star. Your star always has to go to the makeup room first before it gets on camera. Hey, you want to, let me just show you, y'all. All of this is fat. Excess that I trimmed off of the chicken, y'all. It's things that we didn't need. Things that the camera didn't need to see. Hey, you want to get your chicken dressed. That is the main thing. Get your chicken dressed. Hey, I cleaned it with, actually, let me tell you, I cleaned it with limes. I had some extra limes in my refrigerator. Hey, bust them open, squeeze that lime juice over, got them done, rinsed them off, dried them, pat on them dry with paper towels. Hey, and I let them sit there to come to room temperature. And now, this is where we at, y'all. This is where we at. Cause we want them seasonings, that jerk, We want it in there. So now we got that to where we want to be at. We want to discard those gloves. Oh, we're gonna set this to the side, but we coming back. We coming back. Now, what I want to do, I got me another bowl, and I got another pair of gloves too. This is how we do it, y'all. Man, I'm excited for the NFL football games being on. Man, you just don't know. If you hear it in the background, I'm sorry, but hey, I need to hear it too, y'all. But I'm spending my time with you, so you gotta spend a little time with what I'm doing too. Hey, if you're liking this video, definitely give me that thumbs up, y'all. If you're new to the channel, hey, how about you hit that subscribe button for me, y'all? And I tell you, all of y'all, hit that little notification bell that you're notified every time your man Keep a Cup can cook, hey, is dropping another video on you. And with that said, hey, now we got our chicken. I know we got 8 pieces, but I don't know I think I got 3 thighs and 5 legs up in there. Hey, we got it chilling off to the side with that jerk seasoning dry. Now, what I'm about to do, we're gonna work on some wet marinade. I got me a 1/4 cup. This that red bell peppers, y'all. I got me 2 tablespoons green bell pepper. Actually, that's just 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon red onion. Tablespoon yellow bell pepper. Tablespoon orange bell pepper. Trust the process, y'all. Hey, I'm your man. Keep a Cup can cook, and we getting into that jerk chicken today, y'all. Keep a Cup can cook style. Got me a tablespoon fresh thyme. Hey, got me 2 tablespoons. This that green onion right here, y'all. All right, so what I got now? I got me a tablespoon allspice. Tablespoon ground cloves. I got me a teaspoon, y'all. This is that smoked paprika and ground cumin right there. That's right, y'all. This Keep a Cup can cook style right here. Then I got me a teaspoon cinnamon and nutmeg, y'all. Oh man, come on. Come on. Trust this process, y'all. Trust this process. I got me some ginger paste, this that garlic paste right here, y'all. Hey, now, if you got fresh garlic, hey, cut it up. Dice it up. I had some, but I need to get rid of this too. Got a tablespoon of that garlic paste going in. Teaspoon ginger paste. I ain't got no habanero peppers, but I got that sauce, that scotch bonnet. For some reason, I don't know, I can't find scotch bonnet peppers. And I couldn't find habanero peppers either. So, hey, I'm glad I got this right here, y'all. Now, you can put as much of this as you want. You already know it packs a little punch. But we're going with a tablespoon. We're going with a tablespoon. And then we're going to blend it all together. We're going to bring it all together with some good olive oil, y'all. Hey, this that rich. Can you see that? Rich. Either get you that rich or that robust. We're going to start off with a tablespoon. And then we're going to see where we're going to go. 2 tablespoons. All right, that's where I'm at. 2 tablespoons of that olive oil. Now, if you don't want to do all that, you're welcome to get that Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, y'all. It's just that, hey, I'm excited. I wanted to try this on my own, but this is definitely a great product. All right, now, what we want to do, we want to bring our chicken back into play. And we're going to introduce all our marinade. We want to get the right tool for the job, because we're going to bring it all in here, y'all. Nothing gets left behind. Are you listening to me? You already know what that is. The best tools are in the kitchen right there. So we want to get in there, y'all. Get in there. And you know, we got them score marks inside, on our chicken. So you want that marinade to get down in there, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, y'all, even just the smell of it, y'all. Come on. I'm excited about this right here, y'all. I am excited about this one right here. That's right. Now, we got it we got the marinade, we got the dry marinade, we got seasoning on there. Now we got the wet on there. Now, you know what we about to do. First of all, we're gonna discard these gloves. Now, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna wrap it and put it in the refrigerator. Hey, I'm gonna let this go for 30 minutes. And I promise you, y'all, I'll be back. Yo, I am your man. Keep a Cup Can Cook. And hey, you already know I'm back. And I told you, I'll allow my chicken to marinate for exactly 30 minutes. But hey, I'm gonna tell you, that is really the bare minimum. I'm only doing that just for the camera's sake. But hey, if you could actually do this, hey, 24 hours, even better. But 2 to 4 hours is great as well. But I got my skillet coming up to temp, y'all. Yep, We on the medium high temp. We gonna get this chicken. Look at it, y'all. One more go around. Move it around in there. Hey, that football game, y'all, is very exciting. Man, I'm loving it. I'm hoping the Green Bay Packers beat them boys, them Dallas Cowboys. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, y'all, I can actually say I have never liked Dallas Cowboys. Never. But I have liked some people that they had on their team in the years past, you know what I'm saying? But I have personally never liked Dallas Cowboys. But hey, they ain't got nothing to do with what we doing today, y'all. We doing this jerk chicken, y'all. But we doing it keep a cup can cook style. Hey, let's get to it, y'all. Let's get right to it. We're gonna scrap that glove right there. Oh, I need me another glove. And what we gonna do, y'all? We're gonna use some more of this olive oil. 3 tablespoons, that olive oil. We allowing it to come up to temp. Our skillet is already up to temp. Now you can tell when your oil is up to temp as well, it starts to separate in the skillet. Or giving you some ripple effects, things of that nature. Hey, but with that said, hey, I want to thank y'all for tuning in to another episode. I am your man, Keep a Cup Can Cook. If you have not yet, subscribe to the channel. Hey, I'm asking you now. Hit that subscribe button for me. Give me the thumbs up. Hey, share the video, y'all, with everybody that you know. And let them know there's another channel out here, y'all. He doing it. And he bringing it to you. Right before your very eyes. That's right. I am your man. Once again. Keep a cup. Can cook. All right, now, what we want to do, we want to sear these pieces off. Now, if you can, shake off any excess, onions, bell peppers. If it want to come off, shake it off. And then go ahead, lay that in your skillet. You want to try to get your skin like it needs to be. Oh yeah. Be gentle with it. Don't splash your oil. Try to lay in gently and away from you. Nobody wants to get burned by no hot grease. I got one more piece. I'm gonna kick this temp up, because I ain't want to cook it in 2 batches. So I'm kicking the temp up. And I mean, the marinade is smelling great, y'all. I'm loving what I'm smelling. And I'm telling you, y'all, if you're liking what you're seeing, give me that thumbs in the air, y'all. Hit the thumb in the air. I am your man. Keep a cup, can cook. That's right. And I ain't gonna bore y'all with this because I really want to go and see a little bit of that more football game. But what I'm gonna do, hey, I'm gonna allow this, I'm searing this on both sides. And I tell you, y'all, I'll be back. Hey, if I didn't say it already, make sure you preheat your oven 425 degrees, y'all, because we're gonna be going in there. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Hey, I am your man. Keep a cup, can cook. Oh, it's right there. Hey, it don't go far from me, y'all. Hey, believe that. But hey, we see what we got. Hey, I'm listening to the game over there. It's very exciting. Green Bay is smashing them boys. But once again, this ain't about Green Bay and Dallas. This is about that what? Jerk chicken. Done. Keep a cup, can cook style. Hey, on each side, y'all, 4 minutes. On each side, I flipped it over. You're on the 4th minute on the second side right now. And I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. I did tell you already, right? Preheat your oven, 425 degrees. We're gonna take us some pot holders right here, y'all. We're gonna hold one end, so we got this rubber end on the skillet. We're gonna take that rubber off, because we're gonna stick this pan in the oven, y'all. Hey, you wanna have you an oven-proof pan going in, 425 degrees. What we gonna do? We got us some W sauce right here, y'all. We're gonna hit it up with a little bit of W sauce right over the top. I ain't got no lid for my pan, but I do have aluminum foil. I do have aluminum foil. We're gonna seal it in, y'all. We're gonna cut this heat. And we're gonna stick it in that 425 degree oven. I'm gonna say probably 20 to 25 minutes. This gonna give me and you chance to do this and watch the game. And I tell you, next time you see my, or hear my voice, that is, we're gonna be ready for the plating and the taste test. That's right, jerk chicken, y'all. Keep a cup, can cook style. All right, y'all. Hey, once again, I am your man. Keep a cup, can cook. And hey, you know, we're about to go in for the plating, as I told you, and the taste test, y'all. Hey, I know you see it over here, y'all. That's right. We got that jerk chicken, y'all. Done right. Hey, come on, keep a cup, can cook style. Come on, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me give you a whiff of this, because I'm telling you, y'all, it's smelling so good, y'all. I'm telling you. Let's go in for the plating, y'all. The football game is good. This looking good. And if you agree with what I'm saying, give me that thumbs up, y'all. Hit that subscribe button for me if you're new to the channel. We're gonna hit this up with a thigh and a leg. How about that? Oh, I'm sorry to say, I forgot to tell you about that. That's right. That stir fry cabbage right there. I know you see it. I forgot to mention it. I gotta pair it with something, you know. I gotta pair it with something. But there you go, y'all. That's that jerk chicken, y'all. Done. Keep a cup can cook style. Oh man, I'm telling y'all, this is smelling so good. Hey, matter of fact, I'm tired of fat lipping. I'm about to get in for the taste test, y'all. I know you ain't heard that word fat lipping in a long time, hey. I know. Oh, I gotta hit it up with that bread, though, you know what I'm saying? Even though, you know, bread ain't my thing. But hey, if you don't have cornbread with cabbage and green and beans, man, they think you're slipping. So, hey, I gotta put it to the test. Hey, let's go in. Man, like I said, I'm tired of fat lipping. Let's go in for the taste test. But before I do, make sure you give me that thumbs up, y'all. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And tell everybody that you know there's another channel out here, y'all. He doing it, y'all. He demonstrating it and he putting it on the plate right before your very eye. That's right. I am your man. Keep a cup can cook. Hey, let's go in for the taste test. Let's go in for the taste test. Immediately, how it just come right off the bone, y'all. Oh my goodness. Hey, just take a look at it, y'all. Hey, hands down, y'all. Like I said, I'm not calling it authentic. I'm not calling it Jamaican. But what I am calling it is keep a cup can cook style. That's right, y'all. That's it. That's that jerk chicken, y'all. Done. Keep a cup can cook style. And with that said, I'm out of here, y'all. Because you already know the football game is on. It's playoff time. I got me a good plate of food. I got me a drink. I'm out of here, y'all. Bye.